In late October 2025, Triumph Motorcycles unveiled a machine that redefines its middleweight identity, the all-new Trident 800. Replacing the street 777-65R, this motorcycle steps into a fresh segment with bigger displacement, bolder design, and a mission to blend heritage styling with 21st century performance. This is the Trident 800, the evolution of Triumph's modern classic DNA. From the first glance, the Trident 800 doesn't shout. It seduces. It carries the signature minimalist form of the Trident 660, but stretched slightly for a more muscular proportion. A sculpted fuel tank with deep knee indents, circular LED headlamp with DRL ring, and that elegant tail section all scream British understatement. The bike keeps things clean. No unnecessary plastic, no aggressive fairings. Just a pure naked roadster with timeless appeal. A machine that looks equally at home in a London café as it does carving corners on Alpine roads. At its heart lies Triumph's brand new 799 cubic centimeters triple engine, an evolution of the legendary 765 block. It pumps out around 98 horsepower and 79 newton-meters of torque, tuned for strong mid-range punch and a lively top end. Triumph says the power delivery is smoother than ever, with a linear surge that keeps pulling all the way to the red line. And of course, that distinct three-cylinder soundtrack is still here, a raspy mechanical symphony that no parallel twin can ever replicate. Whether you're slicing through city traffic or opening it up on mountain roads, the Trident 800 promises the perfect balance between refinement and excitement. The Trident 800 brings Triumph's latest electronic suite to the middleweight segment. You get ride-by-wire throttle, 3 riding modes, road, sport, and rain, plus cornering ABS and switchable traction control. A crisp 5-inch full-color TFT display integrates navigation, music, and call controls through the MyTriumph connectivity system. Optional features include quickshifter with auto blip, heated grips, and even a GoPro control module for those who live to capture their rides. Triumph clearly wants this bike to appeal not just to weekend warriors, but to riders who live their motorcycles every single day.